안녕하세요 여러분, I'm Suah. Today I will teach you how to say oh my god in Korean. When you see something shocking on the news, you might say something like oh my god, what is that? But how would you say that in Korean? Well, there are several ways to say it. I will teach you 4 common ways. Keep in mind that these words and phrases are exclamations. That means they are commonly said with a surprised intonation. The first way to say oh my god in Korean is 어머나. 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 You might say 어머나 when you see something shocking. You might also say it when you make a mistake. For example, let's say you oversleep and wake up late for school. You might look at the clock and say, 어머나, 지금이 몇 시야? This means, oh my god, what time is it? 어머나 is mostly used by females. Before we move on to the next word, I want to let you know that we have a lesson page for oh my god in Korean. It has more example sentences so you can practice. I will leave a link for that page down below. The second way to say oh my god in Korean is 헐. 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 You may often hear the word 헐 used in Korean dramas or in everyday conversation. For example, if someone hears something shocking, they may say 헐. 정말? This means, oh my god, really? The third way to say oh my god is 세상에. 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 Anyone can use this word regardless of age. 세상에 means what in the world or how in the world. 세상에 is also used with 어머나. That means you can say 어머나, 세상에. You can say 세상에 alone or combined with 어머나. While 어머나 is mostly used by females, 세상에 can be used by both males and females. The fourth way to say oh my god is 맙소사. 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 This word is not very commonly used by younger people. However, it is commonly used by the older generation. You may also see it used in movies. 맙소사 is a word to describe when someone sees something shocking and unexpected. People also say the word when they make a mistake. For example, someone will say 맙소사, 이게 무슨 일이지? This means, oh my god, what's going on? There you have it. You now know how to say oh my god in Korean. Where have you heard these phrases? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time!